Hello, welcome to Nate's Garage. We're going to show you guys today how to install spark plugs. So, one thing is these plugs are coated with a special coating to keep them from locking up or anything like that. You just want to take these, place them in there. Now keep in mind, a newer style engine, you won't be able to get to them so easy. So you'll have a special socket made for spark plugs. They're pretty inexpensive. This is the rubber style. They work just as well, or a magnet style. You want to use dielectric grease on these boots to make them pull off. Even the newer style with the coils, same difference. You want to take this and do it by hand until it won't turn anymore to make sure you don't cross thread it. Anti-seize is not needed because there is a special coating on new spark plugs. Now you want to tighten these up to install new ones, or you need to take out your old ones. I will show you what to do. Okay, now that one's tightened up. If I were to, okay, you just kind of twist it as you put it on, and then you'll hear it kind of snap into place. To take it off, you'll twist it, and as you're twisting, pull it. Okay, twist and pull. A little stubborn, twist and pull. If you want to, and it came off. There you go. So, like I said, twist as you pull. You want to kind of, for a new one with a coil, you want to do the same, kind of just work it back and forth. Now it won't twist. There we go. Okay, I got it to snap back into place. Now, what I would like to do, install my other plugs. Come in here, hand tighten it also. You may want to move this air breather out of the way if it's in your way. Do this one by hand. And make sure after you do these by hand, you tighten it up with your ratchet. You guys didn't get to see me tighten the other one up with my ratchet, but I tighten it up till it's good and snug. I don't turn it hard as I can. Let's see, once it is stopped turning, I do grab my ratchet. Okay, that. Yeah, just about a quarter of a turn usually. Okay. Okay. I'll show you guys that one was good and snug. I'm gonna come over and do my last one. Okay. Push that on. Okay. And I want to thank you guys for joining me here at Nate's Garage. And you may want to take a piece of tape, put it on each plug wire before you take it off, and number it. That could help you a lot also. Make sure to use your dielectric grease, and it'll make it a lot easier taking them off and putting them back on, especially for a newer style. Thank you very much. You have a good day.